All right, everybody. This is the website boy from the websiteboy.com. Today, let me just make this bigger here so that I can show you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a slider from Bootstrap. And guys, if I make a mistake, please don't take it personally. I'm not a professional video producer. But anyways, so I just first want to show you how I have my file structure here. I have a CSS folder with a CSS in there. I have a JS folder, JavaScript folder with all the JavaScript folder. And of course, I have Bootstrap already installed here. If you don't know how to do that, watch my video on how to do that. Just go to my videos on my YouTube channel and click on the playlist section, and then you will see Bootstrap. So go there and find out how to do it if you don't know how to do it. But now let's start real quick how to do this. I usually start with a blank theme. I'm sorry, a blank file with blank.html file with jQuery, of course, included in the bottom of the file. Bootstrap after jQuery, make sure it's after. And I link Bootstrap here on the head section. Okay, and this is my blank, and everything I do it from here, and I save as. Okay, the next thing you need to have after this is a well, you need to have an editor that you're going to be using, of course. If you're a web developer or somebody that's learning, you already know how to do this. If you don't, watch my videos. Anyways, let's start. Let me just first start to show you how to do this. First of all, I'm going to save as to slide and save it as a slider.html because I want to create a slider. And what I did was I already make a working slider, so that way you can go ahead and copy the code. I'm going to give you the code below this video. You can just copy and paste it, but I'm going to explain to you how this works first. All right, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. First, let me explain to you how this works. I got this code from the Bootstrap website, but sometimes you have to edit it and to make it work. So I did that for you. So the way this works is very simple. This code here, I'm going to show you. Let me see if I make this smaller so that way you can see. This is the container of the whole slider, and it ends right here. Actually, hold on. It doesn't end right there. Sorry. I don't know if you can see that. It ends all the way in the bottom here. And this container has something called indicators. And I'm going to show you right now. If I save it and show you on the browser, and this is slider. This is just slider, but look at the problem here. We have a huge slider. You're gonna have to make a width for that slider. So I'm gonna grab this ID here. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna go to the header of my document. If you already have a CSS file, go ahead and use the external CSS. I'm just gonna put a here, and I'm gonna copy it and make sure I name my ID. Pound sign there. Anyways, I'm gonna make it a width of 600 because that's how big my pictures are. And if you don't know, the pictures, I got it from a website called placehold.it. And the way you use their server to get pictures is by placing this code. If you don't want to just type it, you can copy it and paste it from the code below. Actually, I don't have the code below this video. I have a link to the code because I can't put the code on YouTube. Uh, anyways, so that's how I get my pictures. Placehold.it 600 by 400. And if I save this file and I go back and I reload it, you can see now that my slider is 600. Okay, and so let me just show you real quick what this is, right? So this section here, the indicators, all right, this section is right here. This is the indicators, and the controls, which are these little things here on the left side and the right for the previous and nets, are all the way in the bottom here. You can control that with CSS to make it look however you want. These are the controls. That's for the left, and this is for the right. And this little arrow here is getting it from my fonts folder. Okay. Actually, Bootstrap is getting it from my fonts folder. Anyways, that's in the Bootstrap.css here. So make sure you have that. If you don't have that CS, Bootstrap.css, the controls are not gonna work. None of this is gonna work. But anyways, so now that you have that, here you can put any pictures you want. I just put this picture just to show you as an example. But you can put any pictures you want. And here, of course, you can put a caption. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. Hello, this is slide 1. And I'm gonna show you right here. Copy it. I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna take this off. Actually, that wasn't slider 1. That was slider 2. But anyway, I'll change it here. 2 and then 3. And if I save it and come back to the document here, I hope you're looking at this. Let me just make it bigger. Anyway, let me just refresh it so you can see. So this says hello, this is slide 1. Hello, this is slide 2. Hello, this is slide 3. You get the point. So you see how this works. You can put anything you want here. You can put a p tag, whatever you want in here, as long as it's text, so it looks good. And you can get, of course, any picture you want. You can make it any size you want. And make sure you have this file here, bootstrap.js, because if you don't have this file, it's not going to work. And if you don't have jQuery, it's not going to work. And make sure they're all the way in the bottom of the document. Now, the link is going to be in the bottom of this video. You can click there and go to the website and copy the code, so that way you don't have to do all this. And make sure you do the width, because if you don't, it's going to look really bad. So anyways, I hope I was able to show you something here. And again, my name is Ed. They call me the website boy, and I help kids that are hungry in other countries. Thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless, and I'll see you in another video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get an update on all the videos that I'm doing, and maybe you can help me out just by subscribing to my channel. All right, thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.